The biological oxygen demand is also called biochemical oxygen demand. The BOD refers to the amount of oxygen required for the biotic degradation of organic matter in a body of water. The BOD is a pollution parameter mainly to assess the quality of effluent or wastewater. Untreated wastewater has usually a high oxygen demand. Industrial wastewater tends to a higher chemical oxygen demand. COD caused by dissolved chemicals or pollutants from washing process, which adds more pollutants in the water. Both BOD or COD requires a lot of dissolved oxygen from the water. The significance of BOD is very clear. If oxygen is used from organic impurities, it can't be used by other creatures living in the water. Drinking water is tested as well to check if there is any organic matter present. To evaluate drinking water, the TOC or total organic carbon is measured instead of biochemical oxygen demand. This TOC method is faster and can be done online, whereas the method to measure the biochemical oxygen demand takes 5 days to get results. The biochemical decomposition of organic substrates is carried out by microorganisms. For this work, the bacteria needs energy. Aerobic bacteria that do this job needs dissolved oxygen to produce energy. This oxygen is consumed in this process and the amount of dissolved oxygen in the water gets less. If there is a lot of organic material present in the water, the oxygen demands is correspondingly high to carry out the decomposition. This oxygen is then lacking the plants and animals that also live in this water. A low biochemical oxygen demands ensure that the dissolved oxygen is not only consumed by organisms from the wastewater, but that there is enough oxygen left for fish and plants. To perform BOD analysis, there are some standards are set, like to store sample for 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius. There are two methods to measure the BOD level. Both methods are empirical tests. Method 1. A sample of water is kept at constant temperature of 20 degrees Celsius in the dark. After a period of 5 days, the oxygen content is measured in comparison to the original value. The oxygen consumption during the measurement period indicates the oxygen demands in the water. Method 2. If a very high BOD is to be expected or if other toxic or inhibitory substances are present in the water, the sample can be diluted at the beginning. In this way, it can be prevented that too little oxygen is present to break down the organic substances. After the 5th day, the remaining dissolved oxygen in the water sample is measured. With this oxygen, the BOD level can be calculated. Drinking water should have 5 days a BOD of well below 1 mg per liter. Acceptable wastewater from a sewage treatment plant should have a BOD of around 20 mg per liter.